This video is about a command which will give you the details of all the commands available on your PowerShell. So let's begin. This command is get command, as you can see it. This command will give you the details of all the commands available in your PowerShell. So let's see what all commands are available on my system. You can see there are so many commands available with it. So many commands. So suppose these are the list of the commands, but suppose if you want to find a particular command related to anything, whatever you desire. For example, um, suppose I want to search a command which is related to host. So how I will do it? Simple, it's simple. You have to just type the get command, and then you have to type the star mark and then the stash, and then you have to write this thing, and it will give you all the commands related to host. Let's see. So these are the options available in my system. It is clear host, get host, out host, read host, and write host. So I will give you the details of all these commands, but on the new videos, not here. So this is one of the options which you can use. Suppose if I want to find anything, all the options available with write, then what I will do? I simply write this as you write and then star. So it will give you the details of all the commands available with write. So you can notice one thing here is that all the commands, all the PowerShell commands or commandlets, they are present in the form of a pair, and that pair is the verb and noun pair. For example, clear host or write file system cache, write debug. So they are present in verb noun pair. So all the commands in the PowerShell are present in this form only. Okay? So this is one of the example, and it is very helpful if you are looking for a particular command. Um, so and you're not sure of the command, which command it is, but you have a rough idea. For example, you know only a word or at a particular place or whatever I can say. I'm not getting right now. So you can use this command and get the details of all these commands. Simply, it's just simple. For example, what about if I wrote this thing? Suppose I know this much of I only know this word, and then what I will do? I'll write this, and it will give me the detail of this command. Okay. So getting the details of the command in a PowerShell is very easy by using this commandlet. I hope you like this video, and if you really like and want me to upload more videos, then please like, share, and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.